So in this video, we're going to cover how to create and set up your ads manager account on TikTok using your mobile phone. This is quite one of the fastest way for you to get your ad account approved when you want to run TikTok ads. Make sure you visit the description section where we're going to provide a video that shows you another way you could go through this, okay, using your laptop. But don't forget, this particular video will show you how to set up your ads manager account and start running TikTok ads. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content like this. So we launch your Chrome browser or Firefox, whichever browser you use, but we strongly recommend Chrome. So when you go to Chrome, you open a new tab, click on the plus button, or however you open new tabs on your phone. Then you input ads.tiktok.com. Then you click on enter. So it's gonna open. Click on the three lines at the top right, or you click on get started under. So you see. So you can click on get started to continue, or you could also click on the three lines at the top right. Then don't forget to want to create an account, but if you already have an account, you click on login at the top, but we click on get started. Next, we're going to create an account. Next, you click on sign up. Okay, click on what sign up. But if you want to log in, you simply input your login details and log in, or you log in with your TikTok account. But we are signing up for Ads Manager, so you click on sign up now. Okay, so before we continue, make sure you've turned on desktop site mode. So let me show you how to do that. So click on the tree, click on the arrow button pointing upwards, usually at the top right corner. Then you scroll down and click on desktop sites. So make sure you activate desktop sites. Okay, so now these are all the options. You can sign up with TikTok, or you sign up with your email address and password. I always prefer using an email address. You can always connect your TikTok later. Okay, let me click on this. So I'm going to sign up with my email address. Then I set a password. So after setting my password, I click on sign up. Then we have to go through this verification. So I'm going to select the two shapes that are similar. So it's L and L. Then click on confirm. So that's all. I've been able to sign up. Now I'm going to check my email address for an OTP. So you go to your Gmail. Okay, so this is the code. I'm going to copy this code. So we copy this code. Then we go back and paste it. So we have to write it one after the other. So it's 8, 5. All right, so we allow it to load up and verify that it's correct. So you can see, welcome to TikTok Ads Manager. So next, you input your details. If you don't have a website, you can leave it. Or you can input your Facebook page or Instagram page, whichever one. So industry, you select your industry, the one that relates, or you click on anything you want. So under industry, I'm going to select education. Okay. Then also edit your region or country. You click on it and select your country. So the business name. So just input your business name. So I could just call this one Next Level Mentorship. Then input your phone number. Okay, so make sure you input your phone number like this. You can remove the first 0 or you could still add it. Okay, then click on continue. Don't forget what I'm doing now is add business info. So click on continue. So once you're done, you should get this email address that your business center has been approved. All right. So you could continue by setting up a campaign. So once you're done, you could then set up your payment method. So let's do it. So you accept these terms and conditions. Okay. So if you want to run your ads right away, you could select any of these objectives. Let's select community interaction. Then click on continue. So optimization goal is follow for this one. Click on continue. So you can see the continue button just at the end. Next, you connect a TikTok account. So you can do this at different levels. So you just click on connect TikTok account. I'm going to show you. Okay, for authentication, we're going to authenticate again. Okay, so you can see it's been confirmed. It's been approved. Okay, so this is our code. So click on connect TikTok account. Okay, so our TikTok account is already logged in. So make sure you log in your TikTok account. In some cases, they will ask you to log in your TikTok. Then you log it in, then click on continue. So we've been able to connect the TikTok account. So for the creative, we add videos and images. So don't forget, we've made more videos on how to do this. Visit the description section of this video to access other cool videos. So I'm just going to select all of this as much as you want. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'll just go for 3. That's all. Then click on confirm at the bottom right. Okay, so you see it's very simple. Since we are growing our followers, no need to do too much targeting. So you zoom out, click on the continue, the green button at the bottom right. You can zoom in again. So I'll leave it at automatic. Okay, let's see. We could start with a small budget. Okay, let's use a small budget. But for recommendations, do from 5,000 and above. This is just a tutorial. We're setting it up. Okay, so you could run your ad for 7 days at least, or you set a custom schedule. You set a start and end date. So you could leave it and say run the ads continuously. So you could come here and pause it anytime, or you can just input an end date by clicking here. So it's going to start today. Then you select the end date. Maybe let's say Wednesday. Then click on anytime. Then click on apply. Okay. So next you click on the green button at the bottom right. See that green button there beside back. Click on it. So this is some of the things you face when you're trying to do this with your phone. So why we always recommend use your laptop. So you allow it to load. Okay, next you add your billing. So add billing information. So what card usually works? Okay, two-step verification. I'm going to leave it off for now. You can use a Providus Naira MasterCard or any dollar card, whether it's from bank, Gray, or cheaper cash, whichever one. So we are here at the finance. Okay, for tax ID, if you don't have, you can skip. Select your state. Okay. Rivers. You search for Rivers. Your street, input your street. So next you input your street, your city. Then you put your street address and your postal code. Then you submit. Then you click on submit. Okay, so you can see that our ad account has been approved already. Very fast. So now, if you're lucky, you're going to see this option to activate automatic payment. Enjoy the ease of running ads first, then paying later, and keep ads active with minimal hassle. So if you have an opportunity of doing that one, go for it. Okay? Yeah, go for it. So for some of you that maybe you didn't get the option for the automatic payment, in order for you to add the payment method, you click on add payment method. You're seeing there under payment method. So you click on it. Or maybe if you don't like the automatic payments, but I strongly recommend you should go for the automatic payment if you see it. Make sure you connect it to your new ads account created. Click on activate now. So you click on next, read all of this, manage payment method, then click on done. But if you get this automatic, activate automatic payments, go for it. It will help you a lot. Okay, so take note, TikTok will ask for, they might hold your money for some time, so you can see about 15,000. So you input your card details here, then you submit. Then you'll be able to start running TikTok ads. So don't forget to visit the description to access more videos on how to run TikTok advertising.